Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use Microsoft Stream for Office 365 on a Mac computer. Tutorial 9, deleting a video. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in the tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Microsoft Office 365. Now this can be for work, school or business. We can now start the tutorial. So now let's go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the web browser, which is Google Chrome in this case. Now go to office.com and let's make sure that you are signed into the account. Now we can go to the left hand side navigation menu, click on applications, go to all applications, scroll all the way to the bottom to explore all the applications. Now let's go to Microsoft Stream. Now let's go to screen recording for CSV, more options. Open the file location, which will take us to the OneDrive. Go to My Files, Screen Recordings, and now we have two videos, the original and the duplicate that we created almost 1 hour ago. So what we will do is we will delete the duplicate. How do we do that? We can either click the tick and delete, or what we can do is go to the video itself, show actions, delete. Are you sure you want to send this item to the recycle bin? Yes, we do. Delete. Go to the recycle bin. There is the video. Click the video. Delete. Are you sure you want to delete this item from the recycle bin? Yes, we do. This will now delete the video forever. There is no way to relocate this video back, as we had deleted it once and then went to the recycle bin to delete again. However, if I were to delete the video, go to the recycle bin and restore the video, it would then be fully restored. That's for another tutorial in the near future. So what we can do is go back to My Files, Screen Recordings, and there is the original. The duplicate has now been deleted from OneDrive and deleted from the recycle bin within OneDrive. So we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.